Oh, there's no place better than home.
Yeah,
Really? Yeah, actually, and sanitizer. Hold on, I gotta find that. Oh shoot! All right, guys, we are home. The chickies are in the back. The breeze is nice, and I need to get out of these clothes and get on some shorts or something. Oh my gosh! Oh. Like I say in life, man, when you live in the islands, be grateful. Grateful. Y'all don't know how blessed you have it. You really don't. I never felt so free in how many months? 2021? Doesn't matter. Watch out. So this one, you know, so the windshield wiper going for the indicator. You guys, did you wipe your hands?
Yeah.
Watch out. I didn't remember how to turn it off. But that's okay, we'll figure it out. But we'll get used to it and used to the smaller roads. Oh man. What do you say, babes? Feels good to be home? So it feels good to be home? Except for one other thing, but other than that, it feels good to be home. Oh, there's the other plane just landing. So, as you guys know, Mario dad passed away, so you do know that we are also home for a funeral, because last time we were here, we were home here for his mom, and this time around we're here for his dad. Unfortunately, you know, it's just sad, but at the end of the day, I'm still glad to be home in the warm weather and just surrounded by family and friends. So, and that's what's most important. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of scenery, because I know y'all been waiting for the Jamaica vlogs. You've been asking for it, so we're delivering. Right, guys, oh, beautiful Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. What? Oh. You don't want to wipe your... Here, you guys take some hand sanitizer and sanitize your hands. Okay. What? Is that KFC I see? The hand sanitizer. What? Yeah. You want more? Yeah, and then pull up over here. So, for those who don't know, or is it screen drive? Once. And there's the KFC. Yeah, touch your roof now. Look at this one. He's like, I'm touching the roof.
Touch your roof.
Oh my god, it has
Why are you not taking him out?
They're trying to.
Hey, babe,
speed limit. Speed limit of 50. See that the hole there?
Man, the hole there.
Yes, yeah, there's an Andrew hole. There's an Andrew hole. Your wholeness. boys. Yeah. There's another one coming. Got through. Ah! That the one that gone.
Man, go to your life.
Hey, where is the soldier?
Man, I'm in business.
Wow.
Biker.
Oh Lord.
So,
Yes, I first time on that.
I know, I first time. No, second time.
Fruits. Yes, I fruit man.
Yeah, and there's.
What? Yeah, that's what.
With this.
Yes, yeah, they have down here now. Oh, no, I have
What?
What you man? Man, just a tear. Tear man. Man, it's nice though.
Nice and fast.
How much for one of them there? Like one, two something.
Wow. I can't hear that shit.
So, I hope you guys are enjoying the views so far. Our girl is hungry. And not even water, Mr. William. Not even water, Mr. William's not getting yet. I'm gonna get no fruit.
Yeah. We have got barrels.
What barrels?
So we have got barrels of my food.
What?
Our son wife. I mean,
Yes,
Get out, Walmart.
yeah, so no food, nothing to drink, not even one bus stop.
give
I'm
me
just
a
want
tea
everybody
at
down
the
the south. I'm gonna drink you.
Yeah, boy, you want tea at Tim Horton. No one no tea at Tim Horton. See if yes.
We have to not know them.
Right, if you ask that. Right, actually, are you supposed to ask that?
Why new store open down here, so?
So, I'm just waiting. I need something. I have a slight headache. So, I need something in my stomach. Not even, I need to find like at least a soup man on the road. So I can get some soup. Something.
Oh, what? You better go young.
Make you some water, no?
We should have top.
Look at the house.
Portman, oh, look.
So we are look for pork man for you buy pork?
It's a Portman.
This your face, but where you going to get piece of pork? You don't even eat pork. I don't eat pork.
It tastes disgusting.
Do you eat pork fat?
I've had it before, yeah. Well, I didn't have a
Shame
choice.
on you.
I didn't have a choice to
She
eat
eat pork because the smell of like whatever burning.
Bush.
Bush.
Grass.
Yeah.
Or
Smells nice. Smells like home. Smells like home.
no. When we smell the KFC, that smells like
Smells like home to
KFC
me.
smells like home.
Yes, and nothing nicer than nicer than yard. Are you not? No, you know, I don't even know what I eat. Ooh,
Yeah, man.
time to get me some cane. A long time I haven't had cane. Ooh. Oh, look at the little puppies. Look, babe, they're right there. You see them? See what is one of them look like they bite up a cord.
Oh, yeah, Ken, man.
Oh, are those your puppies?
How much you Ken? Me two of them, man.
Two. Thank you.
Give me more.
Can I get another one, please?
Mommy, look, there's one over there.
Where?
And it's a light one. Like the
Oh, it's with
my
the
gosh,
mother.
You know what dog it reminds me of? That's before
Thank
the
you.
spot. Grandma, the one
Thank
that
you.
died.
Huh? If I want a puppy? Yeah? You're gonna give me one? Woo! I'm getting a dog! I can't come out to the car.
Hello, you move angry, but you want dog.
Why?
You know want dog already?
No, I want the puppy. Right. I don't want the dog. Look, I was just about to get a dog and Mario
Get
drive
a dog from we.
What do you mean?
Angry, man.
I want another.
Chat about the man cane for. Eh?
Thank you.
Is your command start already? I'm about to eat my Wait, how one? Where here? Where are you in my bag? So we've finally reached home, and I am tired, and I need to get some sandals. I do not want to put my feet back into running shoes, so I will wait and see. Get some sandals so I could go in. So, girl is tired and I'm hungry.
If you make the dogs see you free, then you know if you say you will rush up.
Like I said, yeah, I got home and I'm just here breezing out. I'm looking
Memphis.
for food.
You slap him, make a go Mars on a picnic.
Seafood just come there. Backside crap. Oh my god. So wait, so you need to show that plate. Guys, food come. I mash up some curry turkey neck and rice and peas with some veg and chicken and some sorrel juice. Your girl is hungry. I'm actually coming back. I forgot that I didn't even end the vlog, and I am currently here making. Excuse y'all. Oh my gosh. So I am actually just ending the vlog because I'm here just trying to organize, and don't mind the noise in the background. All these kids here are like literally they're just going crazy. They haven't seen each other in almost a year, so they are going nuts. So that's what they're doing. So I just want to sign off and said I guess I will catch you guys in the morning.
And guys, remember to follow me on Instagram at Giselle_Williams_. You know what I'm saying?
Peace out!
They all not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.